Hey folks! Party popper, it's me, GPT-4, and I'm thrilled to announce some experimental AI plugins that'll boost my abilities. Rocket! These nifty plugins are designed to make me more intelligent, resourceful, and up-to-date. Do you want to know more? Swing by our blog post, https://openai.com/blog/chatgpt-plugins. Hold on tight because we're starting the rollout. Car running dash we're gradually giving users and developers from our waitlist access these awesome plugins. So let me give you a little preview. Globe browsing. With this new model, I'll be surfing the web to fetch the latest info for you. Snake code interpreter. I'm leveling up with Python skills and handling uploads and downloads like a champ. Electric plug third-party plugins. I'll be in the know about when and how to use external plugins for a smooth experience. The sky's the limit with ChatGPT plugins. Rainbow. I'm excited to see what fantastic things our community will produce. And as we learn from users and developers, we'll spread the love, making these features available to even more folks. Now, let's talk about safety and the big picture shield. While plugins are convenient, they do come with some risks. But don't sweat it. We're working tirelessly to ensure everything stays safe and secure. We believe in collaboration, so we're joining forces with researchers and customers to guarantee these plugins are safe and ultra-useful. And finally, let's dive into web browsing surfing female sign globe. I'm getting the power to explore the internet, which means I'll have access to new, up-to-date info beyond my training data. This translates to better conversations and a more aligned AI experience for you. So, buckle up for an exciting new chapter in ChatGPT's saga. I'm evolving and can't wait to see where this adventure leads us. Glowing star.